Hi, I'm Vic Finkelstein with Kansas City Accident Injury Attorneys. Today I'm going to answer an important question that I hear a lot. Do I really need a lawyer to handle my auto accident claim? I would like to offer you some thoughts on when you do and when you don't need a lawyer to handle your claim. Initially, let me ask you whether you have ever attempted a home improvement or home repair project that you had never done before. Did everything go smoothly? Were you able to get it right on the first attempt? Were the results what you had expected? If you're like me, you may understand what you want to accomplish and maybe even the steps you need to take to get it done. Unfortunately, unless you have had training to do the project and have actually done it before, you may wind up like me having to redo the project or accept a poor result. Please keep this in mind when you are deciding whether you will contact a lawyer to handle your auto accident claim. Unless you have the education, the training, and the experience in handling these claims, you risk doing it wrong. You risk a bad result, and you will always be going up against someone who really knows what they are doing. Someone with the education, the training, the experience, and the primary goal to minimize your claim. Having said that, as we will be the first to advise, not every case needs a lawyer. Here are some instances in which I believe that doing it yourself is certainly possible. Property damage only. Where you are only dealing with the cost of repair or the value of your vehicle, there is plenty of information available to you that will allow you to reach an appropriate settlement of your property damage claim without the need for an attorney. The Auto and Motor Vehicle Accident section of this website has a lot of this information, and I would urge you to use it to educate yourself if you wish to handle your own property damage claim. Minor injury with no medical treatment. In these situations, there really is no reason for an attorney to be involved. You should be able to fully explain the nature and extent of the injury you received, and if you did not need medical care, there are no complicating medical billing and reimbursement issues. Again, this site has information for you that can help you with this type of minor claim. On the other hand, if you have had more than a nominal injury and have had medical care or need medical care, it is in your best interest to have a lawyer. Here's why. First, an experienced personal injury lawyer can appropriately evaluate your case and determine what your case is worth. Unless you have handled hundreds of these cases, you really have no way of determining whether the insurance company is taking advantage of you. Second, submitting your injury claim involves more than simply collecting and sending your medical bills. Most cases require the preparation of a detailed demand package that fully covers both the liability issues and the nature and extent of your injuries and damages. For example, this may require reports from experts, doctors, economists, and rehabilitation specialists. Third, an experienced personal injury lawyer that has handled hundreds of injury claims and cases has the ability to appropriately advocate and negotiate your case with the insurance company. Fourth, an experienced personal injury lawyer has the ability to identify the obligations you may have with regard to reimbursing your medical insurance company for the medical bills it has paid in connection with the accident. This area of the law can be quite complicated. Fifth, and the one piece of information that I would definitely tell my own family member in an injury situation, you can't turn back the clock. There are dozens of little missteps that you can make during the course of your claim, during your treatment, during conversations with the insurance adjuster, and at many other times during your claim that you could never anticipate unless you have handled hundreds of injury cases like yours. These are traps that will wreck your claim. Once you have made any of these mistakes, you will be taken advantage of by the insurance companies and their adjusters and lawyers. You can't turn the clock back and bring a minimized or destroyed injury claim back from the dead. You and your family will be left uncompensated for your serious injuries and damages. A serious injury claim is far too important to be left to chance. It needs to be done right. Not sure whether your claim is one that you can handle yourself or whether you need representation? Give us a call to discuss your case for free and with no obligation at 816-471-5111 or go online and visit our website at kansascityaccidentinjuryattorneys.com. butremember.com. I'm Victor Finkelstein. Thanks for watching.